Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed repair guide for the Lenovo Yoga 920. Today, we're focusing on the motherboard repair process, a common issue that can be resolved with the right tools and techniques. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a precision screwdriver set, specifically a Phillips number 00 and a Torx T5 screwdriver. Additionally, have a plastic spudger for prying open the device, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect the components from static damage. Now, before we dive into the disassembly, ensure you have a clean workspace and all your tools ready. It's also advisable to keep track of the screws you remove. Using a magnetic tray can be very helpful. Begin by powering off the Lenovo Yoga 920 and unplugging it from any power source. Flip the device over and locate the screws holding the back cover in place. Use the Phillips number 00 screwdriver to remove these screws. Carefully set them aside in your magnetic tray. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Take your time with this step, rushing may lead to breakage. Inside, you will see the motherboard and various components. Before proceeding, we recommend performing a professional diagnosis without obligation to identify the extent of the damage and any other underlying issues. Next, disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical shorts while you work. Locate the battery connector and gently lift it off the motherboard using your spudger. Next, you will need to remove any screws securing the motherboard. Use the Torx T5 screwdriver for this task. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motherboard from the chassis. Be cautious of any attached cables or connectors. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for missed screws or clips. Now that the motherboard is out, inspect it for visible damage, burned components, broken traces, or corrosion. If you find any issues, you may need to clean the board with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. This is essential for ensuring good contact and functionality. After cleaning, you can either replace damaged components or proceed with repairs. If you don't have the tools or expertise to handle this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Once repairs are complete, it's time to reinstall the motherboard. Carefully place it back into the chassis, ensuring all connectors are correctly aligned. Reattach the screws using your Torx T5 screwdriver. Next, reconnect the battery to power the device back up. Before sealing the back cover, it's wise to perform a quick check to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Power on your Lenovo Yoga 920 and check for signs of life. If everything is functioning as expected, you can proceed to close the device. Reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap in place. Finally, reinsert and tighten the screws using the Phillips number 00 screwdriver. If you'd like a quote before repair or need any additional services, feel free to reach out. Remember, with our services, you have no calls and no travel required. Just a hassle-free repair experience. And that's it. You have successfully repaired your Lenovo Yoga 920's mother. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.